What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how I go. It's your boy B back with another video. If you have not already, man, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you are joining our Discord. Can't say it enough. If you are into phone flipping, if you're into being able to build a second income, you have to connect with other entrepreneurs, and this community is full of entrepreneurs, people doing the same exact thing you're doing, people going through the same things you're going through, people overriding objections, people learning how to negotiate with individuals. In our Discord, we have a channel, and I'm gonna tell you, we have a channel, okay? And the channel is called Device Negotiations, right? And well, I wouldn't call it a channel with a section. It's called Device Negotiations. This literally has screenshots of people that are negotiating, and it's showing and teaching you, just so you know for future reference, hey, don't do this, don't say this, say that. Make sure you look out for this person. This is a red flag, this is a green flag. Look what I converted, look what I did, look what I got, look what I hit. It's all about us teaching each other and showing each other. It's always having that student mentality, and you watching this video is already showing you have that student mentality. So I want to congratulate you, and I also want to thank you for tuning in. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And also, guys, we have the buyer's price list available on I'mHustlersMindset.com, and that is what you're going to need when you go to sit there and negotiate with individuals and you don't know the price or you don't know the market value. You need this price list so that you can actually tell them, hey, I know you have an iPhone 14 listed for $1,000, but the iPhone 14 is only worth $500. So I'm going to offer you $420 so I can get my $70 profit. Now, you wouldn't tell them that, but you're able to know, okay, this is the market value of the phone, but what I'm willing to do, I want to make a $50 profit. So then you just minus 50 off of that device value. So it's an easy spectrum for you to be able to always have the upgraded pricing. Now, you don't pay $50 a month. You only pay $50 one time, and you have the price list being updated for you every single week for a lifetime, okay? It's not ever going away. This is something that me and my buyers put together, and something that we are coordinating and orchestrating together, okay? We are making sure that people know the market value for these devices, for the longevity of their careers and their income stream. All right, now I want to talk to you guys about how to make sure you get the best prices for these phones. If you've been watching me and you watch my lives, you can see how my negotiation skills are. I can turn somebody selling a phone for $1,200 and get them all the way down to $400. I've done it on live. Make sure you check out my lives. I go live 8 p.m. every single weekday, okay? But I make people go down in their prices, and I'm going to show you guys a couple tactics I use, and these tactics I go more in depth in on my Phone Flipping Academy, so I need you guys to check that out as well, and on I'm Hustler's Mindset. But nevertheless, let's hop into the first one, and the first one is always know your price, and that is where the price list comes into play. Always knowing your price. I want you to think about it like this, right? If you go into somewhere, you go into a building that you're not familiar with, and you are blindfolded, and you're trying to go upstairs, right? Because you're downstairs, you're trying to go upstairs. You're not gonna know where the stairs are. All you're gonna do is feel, right? Feel around. But what if I was to tell you, the more that you feel around, the less somebody gives you credibility, right? So I'm not gonna lie, my behind would lose all credibility by the time I go upstairs, because I'm gonna be crawling on the ground, I'm gonna be falling, I'm gonna be trying to touch as many things as possible, and I'm gonna lose all my credibility. Now, what I wanna say is, when you go into negotiating with somebody and you don't know the true value of a device, and they're the ones leading the conversation with the value, you're then going to lose your competitive advantage when it comes to negotiating. I look at negotiating like a sport. I look at negotiating like me literally trying to turn somebody into doing what I want them to do. I look at it and I take it very, very, very seriously, and I need you guys to do the same thing as well. All right, so now, nevertheless, I want you guys to understand knowing your price is very important. It is going to change your life when it comes to going on OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, or any other swap, or any other place, Facebook Marketplace, any other place that you go on, right? You need to make sure you know your market value. It's very, very important, and it makes people fall in line. What I mean by makes them fall in line, sometimes you gotta check them. Sometimes we gotta check these people, because these people be out of pocket like a pistol in a robbery. All right, and we gotta make sure that they're in check. All right, now the second one is controlling the combo. Now, when I say controlling the combo, sorry guys, my hair is just getting in my eyes. When I say controlling the combo, I literally mean making sure that you are in command. Now, that doesn't mean you talking a lot. That actually means the opposite. Talk the least. Make sure that you're getting straight to the point every single time. Every response is snappy. Every response is like, I know what I want. I know what you want to do. I know what I want to pay. And I'm not going to go anywhere until I get what I want. Make sure you have that attitude. A lot of people try to have that attitude. Yo, bro, what's up, dude? Hey, I really want your phone, but if you don't want to sell it to me, you don't have to. But I can give you a good oh man, it's not enough, man. I'm sorry, man. Like, what I gotta give you, bro? Like, no, we don't do that. We control the conversation. The moment you lose control of the conversation is the moment you lose control of every single thing. Okay, you lost the whole thing. You ain't gonna get the phone. All right, you ain't gonna get the phone at all. Okay. Now the third thing is making sure that you get the IMEI. I go so in depth when it comes to my phone flipping course on how you can get the IMEI, okay? And also the 30-minute one-on-one session you get with me with the phone flipping course, you'll be actually able to really test out with me because I have dummy phones and dummy SIMs for us to use where you can actually check the IMEIs with me. But this is a very important step. Very important step. The reason I say it's important is because when you check the IMEI, you're looking for things that are wrong with the phone. Once you find something wrong with the phone, you can then deduct the price. You can be like, oh, listen, you had this phone 36 days and the price I gave you is for a phone that's less than 30 days old. So you're gonna have to take that down $5. And it's like knowing, they're gonna be like, damn, he's really looking into the phone. Like, he must really be about his business. And it's like, yes, I'm really about my business, okay? So making sure that you guys get the IMEI is very important, but nevertheless, I think the most important thing is the next one, which is going to be asking the questions, because it's like a lot of people, right? They scared to ask questions. I ask people, how did you get the phone? Sometimes I ask them. Sometimes I'll ask them, do you sell phones often? Sometimes I ask them, why are you selling it? If it's pristine condition, the newest phone, brand new, but no box, why are you selling this? Then the reason I want to know is not because I care, because I don't care, but because I want to actually see if you're willing to tell me why I have the leverage over you, because maybe it doesn't have the box because you stole it. And now that I know you stole it, now I'm going to actually put that in my favor. So it's like, I'm going to use the answers that you answer my question with, and I'm going to make sure that I am using it to my advantage, okay? Now, the last one is making sure that you give your price and never go back on it. Like, I teach this in the Phone Flipping Academy, and I also teach this in my Discord. Make sure you have some balls. Make sure you have some balls, because y'all got to really think about it. At the end of the day, if I'm sitting there negotiating with somebody and they tell me no, if you watch my lives, you know how I get. They tell me no, I don't care. All right, bro, bet. This is my number. My number is 445-500-9600. You're not going to get a better offer. I'm not saying that, but I'm gonna be like, hey, all right, I got you, bro. Listen, here, that's my offer. If you come across any other better offers, great. But if not, hit me up, man. Hit me up, man. And guess what? When they hit me up, the price changes. The price don't stay the same, my guy. The price do not stay the same, my guy. Listen, when you double back, the price gonna be up. I'm putting that price up. Tripping like a transmission. So it's all about making sure that you're firm on your price. Be willing to let people walk away. Be willing to understand your value. You have the money. They have the phone. The phone does not have any value. The phone is not valuable in their hands. It's valuable in ours. So we gotta realize that having the money makes us king. It makes us queen. Pause. I'm not calling myself a queen, but if you're a lady, you understand what I'm saying. Because people be taking stuff out of context. I don't know why, but it makes you dominant, all right? So guys, those are my tips and tricks, guys, and I hope you use that to your advantage, and I hope to see you guys in the Phone Flipping Academy and also with the Buyer's Price List, because the Buyer's Price List, that is how you're going to make sure that you never pay too much for phones. I'm telling you right now, because you'll be amazed. I give you a hint. The iPhone 14, I'm getting the iPhone 14 for $280. $280. That's crazy. So make sure you guys are getting the buyer's prices. I'll talk to you guys later in the next video. Peace.